A brand new quality built home in an ultra convenient location. Hi, I'm Chris Panisi, proudly representing Pello, and I'd love to show you this new home here in the heart of West Ryde. Let's go take a look. Immediately as you enter the home, you're greeted with a sense of space and light, with a spacious open plan living and dining at the rear. This opens to a beautiful alfresco with child-friendly lawns. A high-end kitchen features at the heart of the home with quality appliances, stone bench tops, and a spacious laundry doubling as a butler's pantry. 4 large bedrooms of accommodation feature in this home. A huge master bedroom featuring plenty of built-in storage and a spacious ensuite. The property itself is high quality construction featuring superior thermal and acoustic insulation. The property is located in the all-important West Ryde Public School catchment and is a short distance from Meadowbank and West Ryde train stations, as well as being proximate to West Ryde Marketplace, Top Ryde Shopping Centre and Meadowbank Park. So there it is, quality built homes in this convenient location are very hard to come by. If I can help with inquiries, please feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at our next open home.